say that we falling off lately. Maybe
y'all, we gotta get lit. We gotta get lit for me. Oh, problem.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
Hey guys, if you already can't tell by the thumbnail and the title, then this video is going to be a FaceTime vlog. I'm gonna take y'all along with me for today is August the 31st. It's Saturday. I'm getting ready to go get my nails did because my nails did. Y'all like my hair? No shade, no tea. Be for real. Not too much on the edges though, cause I'm finna do them. But do y'all like the plaits? Still rocking box braids. Boo. This is the fit, you guys. I got on this toothpiece set from Shein. Y'all see that?
Doing girl with all that.
Oh no. But it's real cute, and I got on some black sandals, and I'm gonna put on a black purse. But I just got done eating, so not too much. But we finna head on out, you guys. I ain't got no gas per usual. I'm on 30 miles.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he alive. Beauty in the struggle. Beauty in the struggle. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress.
Hey y'all, so I just got done getting my nails done. They are so cute. I got my man initials on them. But right now I'm finna head home. It's hot. I'm ready to go. And I'm hungry.
I like girls who ride. I like taking niggas hoes, but I stopped doing it.
You wanna get with me, stop.
Thank you. This makeup is mid like heck. Oh my god. But I feel like my makeup mid because I'm rushing, y'all. He's supposed to be up here at 7 and it's 6:44. So yeah. Then I still don't know what I'm wearing, so it's just gonna be, oh my god. If I don't like it, I'm gonna wipe it off and just go barefaced. I'm not playing at all. Look at y'all. It's, I don't like it. Fuck. Is that in my top? Ooh, I gotta hear it. He gonna be so pissy because I was rushing him and not done. Maybe I would never do no makeup without a shiny nose. That's absurd. Ooh, too much shine. Have a good smoke under the eye. Since I learned how to do it, y'all, I do it every trip. It's okay. I've done better. I've done way better than this. I'm gonna wear this little blue fit. I got makeup on my shirt over here, but in my hands, that's my outfit. Who you know? Let's see. Y'all, we gotta get lit. We gotta get lit for me, man. Come.
She do that, she's all kind of shit.
The B-N-I-G-G-A. All day, baby. Lace fronts and all of I know you cool to me. I see. Well.
Natural disasters, all these emotional round. Let this smooth taste for you. Thank 'em.
Bitches back, I'm back, part two. Be the outfit, bitch. I'm killing you hoes. I'm killing you hoes. I got the best pussy. I'm killing you hoes. I don't care what a bitch think of how a hoe finna buy me a crib. You used to it, bitch. Get on nigga face, ride like a stallion. Social media, if I could fuck them both, that'd be crazy. How I'm loose, sitting in his head like he on funk blade.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap.
Hey y'all, so we made it. We finna. Did I say y'all we was gonna eat at? We gonna eat at Mikada's. Hey y'all, so we just got done eating. It was a 10 out of 10 experience. This was his first time, so glad he experienced that with me. But you know, I already been before because I'm a big bad bitch.
I was with the mystery. Fuck these petty niggas.
You gonna play me on Instagram, nigga trying to shade me, but you bust your fucking dong, yeah. Dirty Glock up in the pants. Fuck the cops, you stretch, need another plan. Dirty as a motherfucker, out the roof, up in. Hey y'all, so I just got back home. Right now I'm finna make some more TikToks and I'm finna bathe and lay down. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, today is September the 1st. It is 11:41 p.m. and your girl finna start throwing down in the kitchen. So on today's menu, I am cooking rice, cabbage, fried pork chop, and cornbread. But you guys gonna watch me try to attempt to make a good, decent Sunday dinner. I'm
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine.
Hey y'all, so my face is shiny. I just got done putting cabbage on. I'm finna wash the dishes that I got right now, and then we're gonna start on the pork chop. I got 2 packs of these. I probably should have just got one, but I'm finna clean the meat and then I'll be back.
You know that I do not depend on nothing or no one, so why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made
y'all. So as I could tell, I'm cooking the pork. I'm frying the pork chops. The cabbage is done, so I'm finna start with the cornbread mix. Everything's going well. The pork chop tastes good. The cabbage tastes good. I'm finna show that to you guys right now. Pork chop. The cabbage. Yeah, so everything is going well. The only thing is my feet is killing me. I don't see how these grandmas be doing it because no ma'am. I literally got a chair in front of the stove light. My feet hurt. I'm not used to this. Hey guys, so I just got done cooking and the food is a 10 out of 10. I recommend. Yes, you get it. Come on, what you talking about, girl? For you over
Hey y'all,
you over there peeing.
my name Talia.
On your second plate.
I'm her older sister.
No.
I go to Allen University. Shout out Lady Jackets. Woo! This to the poop fool. I tore up my pork chop. Ooh. I tore up my pork chop. And mine was busting. Alright, see y'all later.
This is gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notified. You know this, man. Without further ado, peace.